Nigeria is intensifying its focus on mitigating methane emissions, particularly from anthropogenic sources, including agriculture, oil and gas production, and waste management. This comes as some civil society organizations convened a crucial meeting in Calabar that brought together stakeholders from various sectors, including government officials, educationists, and farmers, to raise awareness about the serious threats posed by methane emissions.
Methane emissions are recognized globally as a significant driver of climate change, and Nigeria, with its vast agriculture, energy, and waste sectors, is one of the regions significantly affected. The workshop aimed to address methane pollution from key sources, including agricultural activities, oil and gas operations, waste management, and livestock farming. Stakeholders noted that these sources contribute heavily to greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, increasing the risk of global warming. Cross-sector collaboration was a central focus, with calls for public and private sectors to align their efforts.
Yeah, so we expect stakeholders from this axis of the country, Calabar, to take home the message of see what they can do to spread information about methane emissions, how it's affecting the economy, the environment, and to take steps themselves to cut down on activities that they're engaged in that contributes to climate change.
Other stakeholders see emissions from oil and gas flaring, agricultural practices like rice paddings, and waste decomposition in landfills not only contribute to climate change, but also pose immediate risks to air quality and public health.
Methane per se is more dangerous than carbon dioxide in causing global warming. The reason it's simple, because it stays for a short while, but it constitutes more warming than carbon dioxide.
We are here to be able to discuss on this workshop, to be able to go back and sensitize our people. And we should also have it in mind that some of these our activities, they call it anthropogenic activities, which is human activities, are also a factor in these methane gas emission.
With rising concerns over climate change, this workshop provided a crucial platform for discussion and action on methane emissions. For Nigeria, taking meaningful steps now could lead to a healthier environment and long-term economic benefits. In Emerson Ifiok, AIT News, Calabar.